What's going on, everybody? Over here at the bus working. Got most of the body sanded. Got a few spots I've still got to sand down. A few fiberglass repairs. But pretty much the whole thing has been sanded and pretty much prepped to paint. I've still got to do this fender, rest of the hood, and the part of the cab here. Just trying something. Just trying to put fiberglass in, fill in some of this hole. I think it's going to work decent. I've slammed the door a few times. It's not coming out. If it does at some point, then I'll just repaint it. But it's worth a shot. A few spots I got to sand down up there. And if the weather holds up, looks like going to get the first coat of paint on this weekend. If the weather holds out. And it looks like it should be nice, so let's hope. Gonna touch up some of these, sanded down the rust best I could. Actually, my dad did that. And I'm gonna go over it again with some stronger sandpaper and then hit it with some rust eating and rust preventative paint. And my dad's coming back over one day this week and he's gonna do some caulking. And then like I said, this weekend it should be should have the first coat of paint on it. And so let's hope. Going a little slower today. I'm standing back here and split my thumb open. I was sanding this part where I fixed the fiberglass, and I was sanding and my thumb came and hit one of these jagged pieces of metal. So split it right open. You can see the blood still on my hand. But that wasn't too good. And that's my good hand. So it's kind of hard doing too much sanding and getting it, you know, makes it a little difficult. But we are getting it done. So stay tuned, and hopefully this weekend you'll see what it looks like painted. I'm anxious to see what it looks like, and I'm anxious for everybody else to see what it looks like, especially what I've got in store for the paint. And like I said, there's the test right there, but I'm not going to show you. But yeah, stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe.